Hello there. This is the second of our series of weekly videos where we're discussing how to engage in high performance habits and how you can use this to drive your success at university. This week's high performance habit is about attending class. This is really about making the best use of your time. If you do it right, coming to class can be one of the most effective things you can do to facilitate your own success. And the research evidence on academic performance really supports this. Attendance is related to performance. In class, we're exploring the course content, breaking the ideas down into their base components, we're comparing and contrasting concepts, we're generating examples and applications, and we're discussing how we can use these ideas to address and solve real-world problems. When you're attending class, you're getting all of this explanation and elaboration from the same person who created the exams. There's a natural connection between how your prof will explain a concept in class and how they will build an exam question to assess your mastery of that concept. So attendance, yes, we agree, but this week's tip is about making the best use of your time. And if you want to make the best use of your time, then you need to come to class prepared. This means you want to have completed the assigned textbook reading prior to class. If you haven't, then in class you're hearing the language for the first time. So in class, your professor would start by defining a concept, but then they would naturally move on to using the idea in an example or contrasting this with another concept. But if you just heard this definition, then you might still be juggling the idea as the classes move forward with the application of the idea. The result is that you may not be able to fully sink yourself into the subsequent elaboration of the concept. If you had done the assigned reading in advance, then you'll be quicker to get to that aha moment, which will then allow you to be more immersed in the next phase of the class discussion, and you'll be able to take away a deeper understanding from that discussion. You're going to do the assigned reading at some point anyway. Setting up your schedule so that you get the assigned reading done before class will allow you to then get the best return on the investment of your time in class. This is a high performance habit. You can do this. We'll take this idea a bit further in our next video.